To fix Mint Mobile not registered on network, start by ensuring your phone is compatible with Mint Mobile's network. Check if your device is unlocked and supports the necessary frequency bands. If you are still having trouble, try restarting your phone, as this often resolves connectivity issues. Next, check your SIM card to ensure it is properly inserted and not damaged. If you are using an older SIM card, consider replacing it with a new one. You can also try removing the SIM card and reinserting it to reset the connection. If the issue persists, check your account status and ensure that your plan is active and paid for. You can do this by logging into your Mint Mobile account online or through the mobile app. Make sure that your phone number is correctly registered and that you have not exceeded your data limit. Another step is to check your phone's APN settings. APN stands for Access Point Name, and it is used to connect your phone to the Mint Mobile network. You can find the correct APN settings on the Mint Mobile website or by contacting their customer support. Enter the correct APN settings and save the changes. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, try resetting your phone's network settings. This will restore your phone's network configuration to its default settings. You can do this by going to your phone's settings menu and selecting the reset option. Finally, if you are still experiencing issues, contact Mint Mobile's customer support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the problem and provide additional guidance on how to fix the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Mint Mobile not registered on network issue and get back to using your phone as normal.